Today we're going to be making earrings. This is something that you can do to keep yourself occupied during quarantine. So this could also be a great present for someone else, or you can just use it as a fashion statement for yourself. So what you need is you need pliers, jewelry pliers, metal sticks, beads, the earring backing, like the earring hook, or you can just make this yourself out of metal sticks as well. And that's what you need. So now you're going to make a loop out of the bottom of the metal sticks, that way the earrings, so that way the beads don't fall off. Now you place your beads. And then you grab your hook, and you don't need all this metal, so now you're gonna clip off some. And you make another loop around the hook. And then you do it again, starting from the first step of making a loop, so that way the beads don't fall off. Oops, didn't make a big enough loop. Oops. And then you put the hook on. Oops. There you go. Now you know how to make earrings. But remember, making earrings is an art, and art is not perfect.